Sometimes on X or Twitter, you might get tons of notifications. You could be flooded with notifications for your posts or when someone mentions you. If you want to turn off these kinds of notifications, you can do that. In this video, we'll explain how. First, open the X app. Next, you'll see your profile photo at the top. Tap it. When you do, you'll see Settings and Support. Click that option. Then, you'll find Settings and Privacy. Tap it. After that, you'll see the Notifications option. Click it, and you'll find Preferences. Tap Preferences. From there, you'll see Push Notifications. Select it. At the top, make sure push notifications are turned on. Below, you'll find Related to You and your post. Under that, there are several options. The first is Mentions and Replies. If you don't want notifications for mentions or replies, you can turn this off. There's also a repost option, you can disable that too. Same with the likes option, you can turn it off. If someone tags you in a photo and you don't want notifications, you can disable that. There's a moments option too, which you can turn off. Once you've done that, you won't get notifications for content related to you or your posts. I hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, please consider subscribing. See you in the next video.